home-cured maple bourbon smoked bacon. Guys, this one turned out so well I can't even. And it wasn't even that hard, it just takes some time. Curing, in case you didn't know, simply means preserving with salt. It draws out moisture via osmosis. You're going to start by mixing together your salt and your spices, then rub them into the meat. Then you just let them do their work in the fridge over the course of about a week. Now, every day you're going to see a little bit more liquid in the bag. You just want to rub that around, flip the package, and put it back in the fridge. This is a waiting game. Remove the pork belly from the fridge on the 8th day, rinse and dry it, and then let it dry one more day in the fridge. If you can raise it a little bit like I'm doing here, it will help with the drying process. And now it's time to smoke the meat, that is. I use a gas grill, and I chose maple bourbon wood chips for that mouth-watering bacon flavor. Bonus, you are going to make your neighborhood smell absolutely delightful for the next 3 hours. Okay, now it's time to slice. I'm using a knife here just to show that it's possible, a completely acceptable way to slice bacon. It just takes a good knife and a little bit of precision. But then I switch over to a meat slicer just because it delivers a reliably consistent thickness. And also, if I'm being honest, I love kitchen tech. Kind of tricks me into feeling like maybe I actually know what I'm doing. And that's it. Cook the slices as you will over the course of the next week, or freeze them for the future. It's up to you. And I'm not kidding, guys. This is some of the very best bacon I have ever had.